Assalamu alaikum all GSM 10. Today's subject OPPO Reno CPH2113 last file unlock tool date mode repair. Hang logo 100% tested. Okay. Next, Symphony Z72 flash file hang logo date mode only SP report show. But paid file. Okay. Next, Symphony Max 60 plus file dead mode. Only SP report show. 100% tested. Okay. Next, Techno KL6 flash file dead mode. Auto on off. IME repair. Others file not working. My file 100% tested. At first my using, next your file YouTube and Google show. Okay. Next, Realme C75 4G RMX 3941 flash file dead mode. Android version of 15 okay 100% tested. Now see you download Imo on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Only date, only empty port show. But paid file, not free. Next, ZTX 40SC drum file. All tool use, no problem. Next, POCO C61 drum file, unlock tool. Only MTA port show. But paid file, not free. Next, OPPO A5 Pro 5G CPH2113 XML file dead mode. Now see you download the last version XML file dead mode repair 100% working. Any problem, Imo on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. I am very confused, all GSM friend. My YouTube channel description, no link, just Imo on WhatsApp start now and immediately I am ready only for you. Any problem, any file you need, just Telegram join it and WhatsApp and Telegram, WhatsApp and Imo chat now. Okay? If your model emergency file need, now see Google Drive and browser open. Now see download the Google Borsha Mobile. Okay, one click. Any model, just one click. Search blogger open. CPH2711 magic system. One click. Just window it. Okay. The QCN file and XML file. Okay. Now see a download. Any problem, WhatsApp number and Imo number or WhatsApp Imo number. My service 24 hours. Okay. But paid file, not free. Okay, all GSM friend. At first my channel, YouTube channel subscribe, like and comment and Facebook share. Every day, all time 24 hour service. I am ready for you. Just message now WhatsApp. Good night.